Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power number 3 for the both sides to cancel the root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3u squared. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here, so you got the u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 7, we put number 7 gone here, you got about the root of number 3 of 50. So this one I will put in here. Number 0 that is about number 1. This one that is about u. S, the s we change for this one. So I will put 3 over 2 go outside. U square and u, we have u to the power of 3. The integration of this one, that is about u to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from number 1 to this one. So I will put this one gone here and number 1 gone here. So we calculate. So we have 68.7. That is the end. Thank you for watching.